What's up friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to share a spreadsheet in Google Drive. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. No, there are two ways to go about doing this. If you have a spreadsheet, let's say you're working in Excel on your computer and you have a spreadsheet, you can share it like that, or you can go ahead and do it from Google Sheets. And I'm going to show you two examples. So what I'm going to do, let me first open up Excel on my computer here, and I'm going to create a quick spreadsheet and I'm going to just save it. So let me just type in test in this one here, and I'm going to go to file, and I'm going to go ahead and save this document here on my PC, right? Let's save it to my desktop and just name it, let's leave it as book one. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. Now on my desktop guys, this file will be saved, and I'm going to upload that file here, that spreadsheet file here, and show you how I would save it. So let me go to new on the upper left hand side and click on upload file, and let's go to my desktop and I'll be able to find that spreadsheet. So here's it, book one. Open it, and as you can see, it's uploaded, and here's the spreadsheet. Now to share this spreadsheet, all I have to do is just right click and go ahead and go to share, then click on share, and here I can choose if I want to share it with a specific person or I want to make it available to anyone with this link. So I can simply choose this option to make it anyone, select anyone with the link, and go ahead and copy this link and click on done. Anyone with this link now can be able to view the spreadsheet. So as you can see, I copied the link there. Let me open up a different window here, and as you can see, I'm going to paste this link here, and let's see, anyone with this file link can be able to view the file, and there it is. So this person with this link is able to look and view this file, etc. Right? And it's going to be depending on the access that I give to them. So if I go back here guys, you can see that depending on the level of access that I gave to them. So this person have a viewer, I can even change it and make it edit. As you can see, I can save it and I can click on done. If I go back here, then this person, if I refresh, this person will be able to add something to the spreadsheet. So I can go ahead and I can just click these off, and I can just enter whatever I want in the spreadsheet. So I can type in test2 example, and as you can see, the second person can add to this spreadsheet. Now I'm going to go back again and show you how you can add to a specific person. You can right click, go to share, click and share, and from here you can change this to restricted and just add an email address, and you can send this to a specific person. You can choose if you want to notify them by email or not by checking this box and just basically click and send. That person will receive email that they have been invited to see this spreadsheet or edit the spreadsheet or whatever, they have access to it. Now, how do you do this from Google Sheets? It's very easy. So I'm going to open up Google Sheets here. Click on this to-do file as an example, or this to-do spreadsheet, and I'm going to go ahead and save this. So let me change the title as something to 2025 as an example, and this is now saved. Now, if I go back to Google Drive or my drive here, you can see that the to-do list automatically appears, because within any one of those Google applications, let's say for Google Docs or Google Sheets or whatever, once you make something there, it will show up in your Google Drive, because that's the storage for all of those Google tools that you'll be using. So to share it, it's the same process. You right click in that and go to share, and you can do it by the link. You can click share, and you can choose if you want to give them access via link, or you want to go ahead and make it restricted and give someone access to it by an email address. Then click and send. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.